This book is called Rhythm Rescue by Vicki Weber. Welcome to Music Metropolis, where there's always a song to sing and instruments playing everywhere. Everyone has something special to share, but Beat Street is where the real magic happens. The musicians of Beat Street have super abilities. The people who live here can do extraordinary things with the power of music. This is Tala, and she is a super special musician. Clap this rhythm to see what happens. Suddenly, Tala grows super muscles. She can pick up heavy objects easily. Clap this rhythm to see what happens. Look carefully, it's not the same rhythm. Tala starts flying through the air. She swoops and dives, just like a bird. She lands on the sidewalk with grace. Her mother opens the front door. Tala, the phone is for you, she calls from in the house. It's her friend Nina. Hi, Tala, would you like to play today? Asked Nina. I would love to. I'll come over right now, says Tala. Great, I'll see you soon. Tala hangs up the phone, kisses her mom, and runs out the door. Tala skips merrily along Beat Street, waving to her neighbors as she passes by, headed to the heart of Music Metropolis. She taps and twirls while she walks. Up ahead, she sees a fallen streetlight blocking the road. An officer stands nearby, struggling to move it on his own. Do you need some help? Tala asks. I sure do, the officer responds. It has been stormy all week. Clap this rhythm to see what happens. Tala uses her super strength to move the streetlight carefully to the side of the road. Thank you, the officer calls. You're welcome, she responds, and continues on her way. Next, Tala comes across a river. The water is so high that the bridge is underwater. Oh no, how will I get across? Clap the rhythm to help Tala. Tala soars over the river, landing with a twirl. She continues on her way to Nina's house with a big smile on her face. Suddenly, dark clouds fill the sky. Tala hears thunder rumbling. She sees lightning flash. Clap the rhythm to help Tala. Tala flies as fast as she can towards Nina's house, racing the storm. Crack! Lightning strikes a huge tree near the house. The tree starts to fall. Tala needs to fly up high to catch it. Clap the rhythm to help Tala. Higher! Clap the rhythm to help Tala. Higher! Clap the rhythm to help Tala. Just a little more, almost there. Tala thinks to herself, I need to be super strong so I can catch it. Clap the rhythm to help Tala. Tala catches the tree just in time. She gently sets it out of the way and then runs to Nina's front door. Thanks, Tala. I'm glad you're all right, says Nina. No problem, says Tala. We probably shouldn't play in the storm. Do you want to come inside? My mom just finished baking cookies. That sounds super, says Tala with a wink. With excitement, the girls race off to enjoy their sweet treat, all the while wondering what the next adventure will hold.